Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to add it on our Chrome browser Grammarly extension. So I'm just click open browser and search Grammarly Chrome extension. So I'm just copy paste and search. Okay, then so guys, now I'm click grammar checker and AI writing apps. So this news 6 days ago. I'm Grammarly grammar checker and AI writing apps. So I'm click add on extension. So wait for response and wait for download. So I hope this video is helpful and subscribe our channel and like this video. So work here with Writer, Docs, Gmail, Outlook. So guys, now generally extension is ready. Now click on extension and pin and click sign up and sign in. So this video is, I hope, helpful, and like this video, subscribe our channel. So goodbye.